Now, another statistic we can look at to tell us where the middle of the data is the median. And the median is defined to be a number such that at least 50% of the observations are greater than or equal to the median, and at least 50% of the observations are less than or equal to the median. So, for example, if we have 3 numbers, then it's the middle one. So the median is 2.25. In fact, this is true for any odd number of numbers. On the other hand, if we have an even number of numbers, like, for example, 4 numbers, then the median, any number, if we choose the middle 2, any number between the middle 2, so any number here between 2.25 and 2.30 would satisfy this definition of the median. Convention, we arbitrarily choose the mean of the middle 2 numbers. And so in this case, the median would be 2.275. Now you may have wondered why we had to use such a heavy looking definition and not just say it's the middle one. And that's because there could be a bunch of numbers equal to each other in the middle, and that just makes... So anyway, it's just a persnickety kind of thing that mathematicians have to be concerned about. All right, so that's the median, and it too gives us an idea of where the middle of the data is. How useful is it? Well, here is an example. Here's the median age at first marriage in the USA between 1890 and 2010. So roughly the last 100 and 120 years. And we see that in 1890, the median age at first marriage for males was about 26. And now as of late, it's gotten a little bit more from about, in this decade, it's gotten above 26. It went down in the middle of the century. It was down in the low 20s, but now it's picked up again. How about females? The same. It was about 22. It went down, and now it's picking up, and then it's sort of plateaued. The difference has remained, hasn't remained, but the difference was about 4 years back there. It squeezed down to about 2.5, and now it's barely above 2. So the delta, the difference, has gotten smaller. So anyway, this gives you some idea of what's happening with half the population is less than this, half the population is above this. So by all means, check the data out and create your own favorite theory as to why this is happening.